Hello everybody! We haven't done one of these in a while, so we're going to actually unbox something today. But there's a story behind it.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so, first the story. So, for only unboxing, well, the only real unboxing we've ever done, we did the blind box one, but that was for charity. So, the only real unboxing we ever done was that Good Fare box. And so, what happened is we thought we'd give them a second chance, just because maybe they were having an off day, maybe we got a bad box, something. So we decided to give them a second chance. On top of that, we gave them some feedback on exactly what we thought of their box, and they responded in kind. And they sent us this.
$3.
And they also sent us this.
A 40% off box.
So, we're going to do a double unboxing today.
Yeah.
Starting with the jacked one. Because this one's been through a little bit.
Well, the cat's out on it.
Oh, the cat's out. So, it's been through a little bit.
That's why it's dented.
So, since we don't really have to cut this one because the tape's already...
Yeah, they just used one piece of tape.
Kind of up in the air there. We're just going to peel this open.
Okay, here we go.
Open the box.
I'm actually going to set it over here. I can't see it. It'll be more...
First item of clothing.
Now we got a box with 5 vintage t-shirts. Or I'm sorry, 3 vintage t-shirts, 5 non-vintage. We should be getting 3 sweatshirts or hoodies, and then another 3 vintage t-shirts. So we got a lot of stuff here.
So first article of clothing is...
Okay. Star Brothers. What even is that?
This is going to be exactly the same as last.
NM Beer. What is Star Brothers? Do you know what that is?
No. This is not vintage.
No, it's not. But some of them we didn't get.
Oh, okay. Well, then there's this. It's a beer shirt. Star Brothers, NM Beer. So, not a bad shirt if it's not supposed to be vintage.
No, it's probably not.
It doesn't stink like must.
Oh, well,
so
they must have.
We are doing better this time. So, next.
Number 2. Uh-oh. What we got here? In-N-Out Burger. Oh. Arizona In-N-Out Burger. Someone will buy that. Is that vintage?
Awesome.
I know you love In-N-Out Burger.
Yeah, I miss In-N-Out Burger. It is not vintage, but it is cool. It's a large In-N-Out Burger, Arizona. That is a really cool shirt. So we are 2 for 2 on the coolness factor. Not on the vintage factor, though, yet. We haven't dove into those yet. So
that one actually does look at the first one. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool shirt.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Next
Wish that was my size.
Is this Nebraska University? This is an Adidas shirt. I mean, this looks kind of cool. It's probably for some like high school thing or something.
Yeah.
Or like NU. I don't know. Is that Nebraska University?
It could be Nebraska University. I'm not sure. It is Adidas. It isn't vintage, but it is Adidas.
Keep peeking in the box.
Stop peeking in the box. It is vintage. It is Adidas, but it is not vintage. So
I think someone
not bad.
Would buy that.
Yeah, I mean, we could sell these.
We definitely could.
So
I don't know if we make any money.
We're doing okay. So we got a free bonus.
Yeah, so I guess
make some money.
Yeah.
All right, next.
Yeah, much better than last time. Next is the Broken Spoke Saloon. No, this is the one where they just put large. And then on the back it says Daytona, Sturgis, Myrtle Beach. Oh. That one's actually cool too.
Also a cool shirt.
Much
this is
better.
Very bicycle.
Very bicycle.
Very Harley.
Yeah.
Like.
I feel like
no tag though, unfortunately.
Yeah. They just put their.
This might be considered vintage. It's not single stitch. It's double stitch.
It might be considered an extra large too. It looks a little bigger.
Yeah, but I mean, this would sell for sure.
It definitely would.
All right, next.
Next is what do I have here? Warriors Midland Powerlifting. This is a little worse.
No.
Somebody might want this though.
Going downhill. Well, I'll tell you what. If anybody wants the Warriors Midland
Warriors.
Powerlifting
You want the
shirt,
Warriors?
comment down below and reach out to me privately at any of my Instagram and or Facebook, and you can be
Yeah, we're gonna
the
give that
owner
one away.
of the Warriors
That's gonna be a good
powerlifting shirt. It is a men's size large, so take that into consideration. It's not vintage, so it won't be like a 80s large or anything. So
Yeah, let's just
if you want it, reach out to me. We'll mail it to you free of charge with
free shirt stickers.
You will also get a Pittsburgh Picker sticker. So the shirt and the sticker. First one to reach out to me gets it. Next, Sarah's been peeking the entire time.
Okay, this is next. Okay. This had something holographic on it.
Oh, that looks like it could be vintage.
What is this? It says
This is
Islands, USA,
This is-
1993.
this is Grandma. Oh, hi, Grandpa. This is an extra large.
But what, is there like a butterfly on it or something? Oh wait, hold on. It says something down here too. It says Textile Graphics Incorporated, USA.
it's a black shirt with a butterfly on it.
Might keep that for myself.
Sarah might keep this for herself. The only vintage shirt we got, because this has got a Hanes Heavyweight 50/50 tag on it. So that one's vintage.
Yeah.
But,
I just don't like the golden butterfly.
there is a bleach stain on the back of it, just an FYI. So.
Somebody had an accident.
It's not musty, though.
I know, these ones
So that's
smell
good.
fresh.
That's good.
These are
That's
fresh.
good. But vintage it is not. I mean, it is, but this is like a sticker. I could peel this right off if I wanted to.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just a sticker. So we got a shirt with a sticker on
I don't know, I might wear it.
Sarah might wear
I might wear it to the bins tomorrow.
There you go, with a big, there's another stain on the front here, it looks like. But, okay, so first vintage shirt.
I like stained clothes.
Not great.
I know, we still got more coming.
We still got more coming.
Oh, what is this? We got Macomb, Ohio. What's the back say?
Just a bunch of,
It just must be like the town of Macomb, Ohio.
this would be another vintage shirt. And it's got a little bit of mold and
Mold?
yeah.
Are you sure
The
it's
collar is not like
Oh, I think that's just.
no. This,
Oh, I bet I could OxyClean that.
but the collar is going to go soon. This is very not stretchy anymore. It's it's got some issues.
It's fine.
But so this is vintage. This is also an old Fruit of the Loom tag, men's size large. So Macomb, Ohio.
Does it say 87 or?
There's
18?
also some stainage on it. So the problem here is that it seems like their access to vintage clothing is limited, and so they're just kind of putting out, giving you shirts that are vintage, but maybe were custom made or handmade, or they were high school shirts or something to that effect. So that's what it seems like you're getting when you're ordering the vintage lots. Now it seems like the non-vintage lots are actually better than the vintage lots thus far. Do we have more?
We have one more in
We
here.
have one more vintage.
This is actually real vintage coming up. That's like the 150th anniversary of Macomb, Ohio. I was doing the math. This one is, this is beautiful. The Le Tub Club. Look at this, look at this. Someone will buy this. I might wear that for myself. The Le Tub Club. Tell me you don't love that.
That looks like Alf, but it's not. It's a
It's
bear.
a bear.
Yeah, this is vintage.
I love
that is
that.
an 80s tag right there.
That
Look
is
at that.
fire. I love the Le Tub.
Oh, and it's single stitch too.
That's sick.
That would be a single stitch right there. So
See, that's what I
the
dreamed
Latub
to find a
Club. This might be
find at the
sellable.
bins.
It's not.
Yeah, if I don't keep it for myself.
It doesn't look stained. It looks in pretty good shape.
It really does.
Yeah, I mean this is sellable.
I'm gonna
But-
try and wear it first.
It's not a bad shirt. So better.
It's a great shirt.
They're doing better.
I love that shirt.
So
That's my favorite shirt I've ever
Alright.
seen in my life.
is that it for that box? All right. So now this is our free box.
No, that was our free box.
That was our free box.
Yes.
Does it matter?
No, but I mean, we did pay for this one.
Okay.
This was the 40% off.
So this was what we were giving them our second chance.
This should have sweatshirts in it.
Okay.
And be careful you don't slice them. You know they don't use any packing material. Sweatshirts and vintage t-shirts. It should have that in there. Over here. You looked.
I did, and I'm not so pleased.
I'm not happy right now.
So just to review, the one behind us would be a box that they'd send an angry customer. This box, we ordered all by ourselves. So we were kind of curious to see, what the difference would be. So,
yes.
Go for it.
Okay. Here we go.
Sweatshirt.
Oh, this says they give us just a little sticker.
A sticker. All right, this is
What does that say?
the Rebels.
It must be a high school.
This is a high school sweatshirt. Not bad, just not good. It's a little musty.
Oh, so when you pay, they give you the ones that smell.
It's a jerseys. It's not super vintage. Are they supposed to be vintage?
No, they're supposed to be pre-loved.
Yeah, so it's your standard high school
Pre-loved.
sweatshirt. And this is kind of what I thought was going to happen, because it seems like if somebody gets angry, they give you some good stuff. Yeah, well, anyways, okay. Next
up. McCollum.
Yeah. This is exactly how I thought this would go. So, now I got my... Yeah.
Musty?
No, this one smells like laundry detergent.
Fresh!
McCollum High School. Another hoodie that's a high school hoodie. It's not... they're not horrible.
That one, looks like a little Harry Potter-ish. Doesn't it?
It does, but it's...
I don't know anything about Harry Potter except for, that looks Harry Potter-ish to me.
Yeah. And it's kind of dirty and stained. But,
nice.
Yeah. So, 2 high school sweatshirts is what we got. Which is fine, because
there's one more coming.
they're selling this as Save the Planet, wear something used. So, okay, that's fine. We weren't expecting vintage, so we'll keep going. Next.
No. They say it's good for lounging. That's one of their
Lounge,
things.
yeah.
It's good for lounging.
This is another...
Oh.
This is great.
This is really ratty. There's nothing on that one.
This is a gray sweatshirt.
I'll use that when I work in the yard.
Pilled very much.
So
There's
much
no
pilling.
string. So we should have started with this box, because this is junk as far as I'm concerned.
That's changing oil clothes.
Yeah, this is changing oil clothes, which I guess if you're ordering these shirts to save the planet, then this would be something that you could wear out in the garage. But I feel like you could accomplish the same just by going to your local Goodwill. But okay, next.
Okay, now these are supposed to be vintage t-shirts. I don't think they sent us 3, did they? Oh no, wait. They jacked this. There's only 4 sweatshirts in this box. This is not what we ordered. Notre Dame, though.
Oh.
Guys, let me look at my order. I'm going to double check. I did not order just 4 sweatshirts because I made sure.
Pro Edge, non-vintage, Notre Dame hoodie. This will sell, actually. We could sell this, I'd say $10-15 for it. It's missing, every hoodie that they've sent us is missing the strings, it seems like, or they're tucked in there somewhere. Yeah. So that's that. Sarah's checking her order. We'll be right back to you. Okay, so we're back. We checked our order, and guess what? We were supposed to get... you can't see that, but it
right here on the box.
It says right there on the box, short sleeve vintage t-shirts
and hoodies.
So we actually only got
the hoodies.
The 4 hoodies.
We were supposed to get 3 t-shirts with this as well.
So here's the long and the short of this.
What's happening, kid?
All right, so let's recap this. So the first box that we opened was the box that they send to people that are angry. And because we commented and gave them some feedback, they offered to send us a free box. And that box is full of stuff that is cool. I mean, even if you were just ordering it to wear it, those are actually cool shirts.
Yeah, they didn't have a burger.
The sweatshirt box is, we just ordered it on our own because we thought we'll give them a second shot. We'll try and order something a little different and see what it was like. And that one, not only did we not get anything vintage, they messed up our order. So
They sure did.
we were supposed to get 4 sweatshirts and
3 t-shirts.
3 t-shirts.
That were vintage. We got 4 sweatshirts only. We did not get any vintage
They were
t-shirts!
see, and the problem with this review here is they were doing so well with that first box.
Yeah.
We were very happy. We thought, okay, this is cool. People are gonna like this. And then they jacked it up with the sweatshirts.
They did. They
So
really did.
what's the final verdict here? Because
So I'm going to email them again.
so we're gonna get another box.
We're going to
and
be
do
getting
one more unboxing.
One more box of the 3 vintage t-shirts that we were missing in this order. And right here, okay, and I could even tell them to come watch this video if they wanted to see that they really weren't in there. We're not just making things up. Just like the first video, you all saw a unicorn shirt. It's on eBay right now. You should buy it now, $15 with the stains on it. And
It's pre-loved.
it is pre-loved. I'm gonna say the first, what was did I give it a 2 the first time, a 1 or a 2?
I think we gave it a 2 for reselling, a 5 for just overall.
And a
like
10
if
for
you're
the
gonna
grandmas.
If you're gonna wear it, 5 and a 10 for grandmas.
10 for grandmas.
So now
This is a 0 for grandmas this time.
this is 0 for grandma. Well, no, that butterfly shirt could be grandma.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess I'm gonna give them. Now they did send the free box. She was very attentive when she finally did get to my email, and then she did ship it out. But if I didn't email her at all, I don't think it was still gonna ship for like weeks, and we had already been waiting 2 weeks.
Maybe.
So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna still just give it like a 5 total, I guess.
Yeah, I mean for reselling, I'm confused because if all boxes were like that first box,
Yeah, I would buy
it's a
more.
decent resell. You're not going to make any profit though, so still probably a 2 for resellers. But if you're going to wear them,
Yeah.
that first box is
Yeah.
a 7. The second box, maybe a 1.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep the hot
And the
dog.
second box is definitely a 0 for grandmas because I don't think grandmas would really wear any of that unless they went to Notre Dame.
No. Or they wanted to change their oil.
But for those of you that, yeah. So for those of you that stuck it out to the end of this video, you're going to get a little surprise. And the surprise is that, with the exception of the bear shirt and which one did you want?
I want Notre Dame. And I want the hot tub club or whatever it is.
So, with the exception of the bear shirt and the Notre Dame sweatshirt, if you want any of these shirts and or sweatshirts, they're all extra large. Well, they're all larges. I think we have one extra large shirt,
Maybe, yeah.
including that one with the bike on it. Is
Oh,
extra
yeah.
large.
Yeah, the bike.
And I'll give that one away if you guys really want it. I'll give it away.
Yeah.
So, any of the shirts except for the Notre Dame sweatshirt and the hot tub.
Those are
Sure.
mine.
Sarah's keeping those. If you want them, reach out to me privately, either via Instagram, Facebook, or on the email. We'll send you the shirt and a Pittsburgh Picker sticker. So that's a little surprise for
You
those
can
of you
get a
that
free
watched all the way
shirt.
to the end. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we really appreciate it. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel because you got to know what they're going to send us when we complain that we didn't get our vintage shirts. So
True.
subscribe to the channel, and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!